In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a conversation on Slack, full 2026 guide. Before we begin, it's important to understand the difference between deleting a conversation and simply hiding one. In Slack, permanently deleting a conversation usually means deleting an entire channel. That removes the full message history, shared files, and related activity from the workspace, and it cannot be undone. If you only want to clean up your sidebar and remove a direct message from your personal view, you'll use the close conversation option instead. Also, keep in mind that deleting a full channel requires workspace owner or admin permissions. Let's start with how to permanently delete a channel conversation. First, open Slack on your desktop app or in a desktop web browser. Then go into the specific public or private channel you want to remove. Make sure you're in the correct channel before continuing, since this action is permanent. Next, move to the top of the conversation window and click the channel name in the header. You'll see a settings or details panel open over your workspace. From there, look across the top of the pop-up window and select the Settings tab. Once you're in that section, scroll down until you find the Advanced Options area where channel management actions are listed. Now click the red option labeled Delete this channel. Slack will immediately show a warning prompt to make sure you really want to continue. In that confirmation window, check the box that says you understand the channel and its files will be permanently deleted. This is the key checkpoint, so take a second to confirm you're deleting the right channel. After that, click the red Delete Channel button. Slack will process the change right away, and once the deletion is complete, your view will usually return to your main workspace area, often back to the general channel. At that point, the channel is gone for everyone in the workspace. Now let's look at the second option, which is how to hide or close a direct message conversation without deleting its history. In the left sidebar, scroll down to the Direct Messages section and find the conversation you want to remove from view. If you want a quick method, hover over the conversation name and click the small X that appears on the right side. You can also right-click the conversation and choose Close Conversation. In some cases, if the row is highlighted, pressing the delete key works as well. As soon as you do that, the direct message disappears from your sidebar, which helps keep your workspace tidy. Just remember, this does not erase the chat history. If you message that person again or search for the conversation later, the full thread will reappear. That's all for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.